Yo, kamusta? Ako nga pala si The Miner and need na namin ng member ng The Craft SMP. And, and ito nga po ang rules namin. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Welcome to The Craft Season 1. This is the rules. Respect player and the owner. Hard work server, simple farm, peace server inspired by Kada, build a shop in shopping district, 500 blocks or more from spawn to make a base. Content creator, pwede din YouTube, TikTok at Facebook. Ito ang bawal sa aming server. Grief, bawal ang grief, killing, PvP, magmura, bastos, cheating, using toolbox. We are looking for active player. Pwede